Shebby, I say if me did get the chance where you get, I would be a better person today. But I always, when I have no ambition, get the chance. Because you have the talent, but you never have no ambition.
Me don't want you really sit down in my face and reason with me. Because number one, everything where you talk about your all is true. People never think say a joke here, I make it's true. It's true. You're one of them with vex. You're one of the lady them with vex in a life about your vagina. Sometimes you must lay down in your bed and eat God for your holy. Say, God, why you never give me a hood or two bottom? Why you give me this and it's not profitable? You not give me this, you give me this. And this now make nothing and this all. God, what happened? Why you never just...
Shebby, when me be at me favor Merimaka. What me be at me favor Canada. When me be at me favor the whole United Blood Clot Kingdom. That's why me not be at often. Because when me be at a peer boy, and when me go so bummer, me no know if it's a no, come a pussy trouble me look a pussy under pain. That's why me carry myself so Shebby. Me carry myself like a dirty girl. Because when me be at me look a pussy under pain. Cause peer boy, I no know if it's a no. When the boy them look me special when them look good as spell when I'm on my type. Me not say no, so me have man per man. That's why me never run out of man yet. Me have a trainer man. Where you do Barracuda? Nobody know why you are the only reject in the ocean. When them catch you, them have to make flight take you for name you. Cause you are poison. Kappa your name off a shit barra. Don't make have to drive go down a seaside for your Batman blood clot. Don't make me have to drive go down a seaside for your Batman. And get 2 fishing line. Call me a fishing line now. Batman me leg off for you long time. I think you're done with me. And my name you want you to get kinds. Now my name broke. That's why you ride Rosalie back so. Cause it look like them a pay you too. Them a pay you over here to for bring them rose. I pay you get Shebby. Cause you don't want beg, you don't want them so from center stage to beg it. Cause you get your fair chance, you know, Shebby. You get your fair chance and you did nothing with it. Shebby, I say if me did get the chance where you get, I would be a better person today. But I always, when I have no ambition, get the chance. Cause you have the talent, but you never have no ambition. You had the talent, but no ambition. You had that talent, but no ambition with it. That is why you can come on TikTok now and bring down humanity. Because you're a miserable person. Shebada, you can't trick me, you can't trick them over here. Because them naive. So anything where you say them are going to run with, you can't trick me. You're a bitter water. You're a bitter water. And you hate the whole world. For your career we're done. And it's you who have no ambition. Secret beggar. Secret beggar. That's what you are. You walk and cuss people for money. From center stage to cussing people for money. You never have no ambition. So your talent run out by you. Because you're ambitionless. You're ambitionless. You don't have any ambition.
And the wrong thing this year though, you should have never come about me. Sit down and take care of the little boy where you had sodium a killing in primary school. Sodium a killing bad. You don't know if you take care of picnic. You wake up this big blessed Sunday morning. You not even give God thanks. You come out the road in your dress because you're clothesless. Anytime you dress up in a way, we have to blow balloon and bust clappers and beat zinc fence. We know you. We know you. That's why our little baby dance bad. Our little baby not even be like Baba, we get #1 in the fastest losers. Yeah. Your little baby boy, go help your baby boy do homework. We never hear say your pinna get project yet and I build nothing. We never hear them something that yet CuteBoss. And that's why Papi have to walk the street. You never know. That's why Papi have to walk the streets of the city. Don't come by me. Tell the world say you make hunger kill your mother. Tell the world say you make hungry kill your mother. Tell them. Tell them. Hunger you make kill your mother. But do this and beat me. Hello? My Batman son. You know selling a bottom last night. Me say, Papi, come here. Me say, me go sell something. I'm all feel me. And not today, all I feel from me at 13. From me at 13, you all I feel you. Remember, says a big man take your eye, man, you know. You don't know what it's like for hooking at your age. You don't know that it's a big man take your virginity as a little baby. You never know that. You never take a man in a, you don't know what the comfort of taking your age. You have not gotten that experience. You're traumatized. From your veggie come right up to your knowledge. You're traumatized. Me not ask you, tell me, I tell you. You never know. That is why you always walk and testify. We want to give you some time teeth you stop talking now. We don't want to hear. We don't want to hear no more blah, blah, black sheep. And we don't want to hear. And I just say, go my baby, don't come by me unless me send you in the words of Kenya more or. You know, me want buy your son 2 Tigger. I want buy the little boy 2 Tigger for go with the sodium I shall give my man in time for go school. I want pack your little boy lunch pan for him. Honestly, I want buy the little boy 2 Tigger. You never know. You talk about AIDS, I may look better than your CuteBoss. CuteBoss me a 99 and a quarter, you talk about AIDS, I may look better than you. Make we go to road in a naked contest. You sick cocky stomach, you make body vomit and it not stiff. You make body vomit and it not stiff. You sick cocky stomach. Yeah. And you talk to me. All the little mouth favor Maya. Mash and favor ashtray. Eh? Your little mouth just dark. You know your mouth dark. You know, she say, I look good time, everybody I try, even for clean out with ears. Everybody I try do something on them body. You never fix somewhere. And then everything can cover with shit. You not like me, a while ago, I'm living in the bed and nobody knows me in there. Slim and trim and half a guard gym.
I'm out of a fix first.
I'm out of a fix. It's for the long time ashtray you find on bar counter. As in a CuteBoss mode coming like it one JPS put up a power pole in there. I'm out little bit and dark. She had the seafood at the end and the pan live and just turn one side and spit which part she share. A nasty girl. Nasty woman. And then you want to come size up with me. But you want to lend me 2 of them, yeah. 2 of them, yeah. Go put them in a papi batty. You want fillers. You want fillers in them bottom, it worn out. You want fillers in them bottom. In a papi bottom of a frown. You want fillers. Go give me travelers with their side. Don't give me anything. Yeah. That I couldn't eat from CuteBoss. I could never eat from CuteBoss. Never. Never. Of course, me seeing nobody tell me, I saw it. I saw it. And if anybody will remember the dip on the live, when she keep, I think it's the minute for the first or the second seafood, she spit right which part she sell, right which part she serve. She just when came and comes up. Yeah, right there, so. Who does that? And guess what? Which part she serve? She not have no water where she do the seafood, so everything are Alice in a bucket. I choose something. So with time she rush out and I come out, CuteBoss, take your time go in. Take your time go in, CuteBoss. Me I beg you. Now come by me. It's true, I was on the live. See there? Somebody says true, them did dip on the live. It's not like me I tell. It's a nasty lady, but she ate when me talk the truth. Papi not have 3 fathers. Papi don't have 3 fathers. Papi have a community a daddy. Papi have a community a daddy. I remember the man who she put Papi pan don't like Papi. Papi go make it up with daddy. Go and make it up with daddy, Papi. Yeah, your father ate you because he's a bottom seller. Yeah. He's a bottom seller. Remember his man force CuteBoss to come out and talk, say her son about him. And remember saying a papi, before you even pick up for mommy, remember she swap you for daddy. Remember she swap daddy for you, you know. How it go? Swap you for that. How it go? Remember she sell you out for your man. Yeah. Remember she sell you out for your man. Remember the man hate you. That's why I'm left CuteBoss. CuteBoss is have to give up you to keep the relationship and it still never last. You forget. Don't forget on the history now when the CuteBoss things say, you know, everybody forget. No, CuteBoss will not forget. Remember, members only. It's a private party. Yeah. Remember you swap you sell your picking them for man. Man will have other woman. Remember the whole of your mate them a Canada and America laugh at you. And them force you to come on the internet and talk about your whole failure. You think I just talk, you want to talk about your whole? I true you mate them better than you. Remember we know these things. Remember we know these things. Remember before you even come on the app you mate them a flap you. Remember, when you put on your clothes, you favor Shamai. You favor Shamai when you put on your clothes. Wet Shamai. Me not ask you, and you want to come about me eat my mother. Even if me eat my mother, me still never make hungry killer like what you do to your mama. Remember your mama want 1 cup soup and the lady kick the bucket. You have it. Go build a relationship with your family, them man, and God the grave, go ask for forgiveness. Yeah. You're out to order. You're out to order here. You force your son. You give up your son for take man. You give up your son. You put man over your children. Put man over your children and may donate things to you as wicked as you be. You know want to take it. Don't be shy. Don't be shy. I love to donate. Don't CuteBoss we attack. When she make 1 cup soup kill her mother cause she never buy her mother eat her mother hungry. For days your mother have gas in the house start now. For days if me didn't know your mother should still be alive. If I even ounce I meet me that gear. Anyhow me didn't know your mother CuteBoss. The lady would still be alive today. It's not one picnic she have. She have a next one over here where I sell bottom, but it now work out. I want to call ice pan him like a yellow cab. Yeah, I want to say, ice, pick up this. I chose something attack. Ask CuteBoss where her mother there. She tell you she did ask her what kill her. Yes. Ask her. Tell her me send you ask her. Gas kill her mother. It's like how Joe ride world dog. I saw CuteBoss mother ride her. So Queen another first me I talk about this in my baby. But CuteBoss think me not member. CuteBoss think me not member. Take off the fat them off of your side and go push in a papi batty for fillers. Your little son bottom one pump. If she not afraid God punish her, lady, you know she say a wicked time now. You know, she said, Nephilim might walk the earth. Them people have fear. The Bible never tell us, say, the heart of man go wax cool. Eh? Them never tell you that. I'm pretty sure they did. The Bible stated. And I mean, say so. And the Bible says so. So when you come about me, about people at Franklin Town tell you, say, go back to Franklin Town, go ask them. Go back to Franklin Town, go ask them. Shebby do this and beat me. And Papi not send you the money. Then what kind of challenge we go beat you pan and Papi not send you the money? Then we Papi wait pan for send you the money. So how the challenge go? Just a phone call so anybody not can call their mother? More wonder if anybody not can call their mother. Huh? No wonder. Royal, me I wonder if anybody, you not can call your mother? Anybody not can call their mother? Eh? But you call your mother and do what for her. Just like how you call your son and him couldn't do nothing for you. You call your son mommy hungry. You should never use that word. I don't know say food na rampant in the family. Then why you take the food route when you know say food you use kill your mother? You deprive your mother from a cup soup. You deprive your mother from a cup soup. You deprive your mother from a cream crackers. Eh? So all you mean do this and beat you. Make the competition worthwhile. Papi send the money yet? Cause the Sunday soon done, you know, cause you could never go look peace for soaking a garlic. The Sunday done, so right there and then we know say somebody a cook and give you a little food. Suppose you're hungry in the night, you can't go for seconds. Huh? Somebody say my teeth them pretty. When CuteBoss talk looking at her mouth. When CuteBoss talk looking at her mouth. That's a competition. I'm not under no filter. Me no CuteBoss. Me not under no filter. Me the only one who wear me natural. Me organic pan the live no blow. Very organic. Go look in her mouth. Always remember such a under filter too. So minus filter with the mouth. And then me you want to talk to CuteBoss. Me don't want you really sit down in my face and reason with me. Cause number one, everything where you talk about your all is true. People not think say a joke here, make it's true. It's true. You're one of them with vex. You're one of the lady them with vex in a life about your vagina. Sometimes you must lay down in your bed and eat God for your holy. Say, God, why you never give me a hood or two bottom? Why you give me this and it's not profitable? You not give me this, you give me this. And this now make nothing and this all. God, what happened? Why you never just give me two bottom? Make me pee out of one and do out of the other? And that you eat enough. You not even can borrow your son bottom. To put you by your pum pum there to see if you can go and hustle. How him look so, make you look anyway. Now make this fool you, my baby, me look better than your son or your man. Number one, you can't even open your crutches. Can me look better than this, so don't get it twisted, my love. Don't get it twisted. I one thing I might slim, but me not full of fuss. Me not fussy. I one thing with me, I might maga, but me not fussy. My skin clean, no blow. It a tell something about my blood. It a tell something about my blood. My skin clean and my teeth them white. What you say? If this is the evidence that AIDS, everybody should wear it. Little and cute. What you say? Me get credit for my complexion. So when in a blood problem, I get credit for my complexion. Look on CuteBoss. Like fear blood curdle. A box milk. A blood coagulate. A zombie. She's a dead and wake. What you say? I don't know come about. When you can't come about me, look good and stay good now blow. Last night one little baby said, oh my God, you're smelling so good. Me not smell like What you say? And then me no want to argue with you. Me not have no meat board for me. Me not look chop up. Me not look chop up like Papi Bottom. Yeah, she have to buy her complexion, my love. Mouth nice. Lips cute. Talk to me. Body neat. CuteBoss, you never see my video one post. Me turn back when I appear. Me I wonder who for tire let out here. Me quick neck when I go up on the road in a CuteBoss. You keep neck in the army. Nobody not see you. You not even get a glance. What you say? Tell them Winnie. Make Papi try this. A long time Papi there foreign and him not fix himself. All Papi do a teeth close and you naked. I could have never be a culture overseas and my mother naked. Me da put my mother in everything. All when I look good pan me I put her in her. Every time my mother, if I me a Papi, every time CuteBoss wake up, she feel like she got the BET awards. Me not ask you. I could never teeth close a foreign and my mother naked. CuteBoss, you're naked. You favor get a room. Me not ask you. You favor the curtain them in the poorest room I get her. Me not ask you. A little bit and thin. Yeah, when you put on your dress code, a little bit antenna, you hear them never fluff yet. You hear them always want more. Me not ask you, cute boss. You hear them ever want more. You hear them very light on your head. You're not no good here. Cute boss, move from here so your earline gone. Buddha bless you. Move. Catch up your ear in a one like me. Do this. You do this and beat me, Jet Li. Jet Li, beat Jackie Chan with this. Do this. Just catch up. Remember, yes, sir, your earline there, you know? You have a built-in mark while me I forgot Baba for catch it. You have a built-in mark. CuteBoss, remember, say your forehead bigger than your belly. Always remember, say the buffest thing by your forehead. I saw you talk and look up in because your forehead will drop you. I saw you talk and look up. Always remember, catch up your ear now, nobody make no phone call. We know you know the phone call because you just get embarrassment after the phone call. I remember give you another challenge. Catch up your ear. Catch up your natural ear in a one. Where your baby ear them there? Where baby ear them? You don't say. Where is your baby ear? Huh? Answer the question. You know, say you deteriorate like Jamaica first time $1. CuteBoss, you look like you have AIDS. Cause your ear ago and your ear is very thin. Your ear very thin and you can't tell me say I cream, you cream it out. So I bleach, you bleach it. Your ear thin. So oh your ear thin can go way back. Yeah man, your ear do moonwalk. Your ear do moonwalk. Yeah, your ear do moonwalk. Anyway, I say. Catch up your ear, that is an easy challenge. CuteBoss make the whole of a reason. Attack where attack. It's the season. Yeah. What you say? This beat you like a man locked up in prison, boy, you get challenge. I want to give the catch up natural ear challenge. That me want to give. The catch up ear challenge. Your skin lumpy, your mouth mash up and black and dirty, and you don't have no earline. Find some baby ear. And then you want to argue with CuteBoss. This bunny, you see me lift up and fly out of Jamaica. Can you live? Can you fly? Can you leave Jamaica? Just asking, can you live? Can you fly? Can you leave Jamaica? I am in Atlanta. Yeah, can you do all of these little something? You can't do them something that don't cost me about everything in the world. I went time a match and an argument to not stop. Can you do this? Me lift up off of my fridge top and come off a rain. You see me on my fridge top, look pa my patio. And then me you want to talk to CuteBoss, you live in a life. And people are cooking you and your children like how Muta cook the roaster and I pick them. Can you do the things that me do CuteBoss? Don't challenge me because your son live a foreign and can't help you. Hush, you should have the building block of Jamaica. You should have black steel and cement if I even for you sell wholesale or retail. Me not ask you. Me not ask you. Are you alone have a problem with my blood and you not see your skin? You alone have a problem with my blood and you not see your skin. CuteBoss, remember say your ear thinner than mine, you know? Remember your ear thinner than mine and you're hooked from your 12. So work out the STD them. Cause you can't tell me say you're not shoot out for my baby. You can't tell me say you're not shoot out for my baby. Enough girl want to walk and showcase them flaws. And you alone can do that. And you alone can run them naked joke in your community because nobody wants you. Not even the dog would have own for you like, woo, when you come. Not even him. So yeah, say. Because the whole of we are reason. Go put the back fat where you have for your body. Go use it as fillers for your son body. Your son anus one puff. Your son need grip and muscle in them back door. You never know. And then me I come out baby girl. You're not living a life, you're torment from you make hunger kill your mother. The sin of the parents fall upon the picnic. Uh-oh. Is that scripture? You know, so like you me a cuss me have the Bible in my mouth. Thy word have I hid in my heart that I will not sin against thee. For sure. And me a cuss me have the scripture in my mouth, you know. Me's not a sinner. Me's not a sinner, me's a true teller. It's true. And I'm me a come but baby girl, you not stand no chance with me. Me younger than you, acquire more than you. Sorry, me older than you, acquire more. For God's sake, me not young, you know. Sometimes I just feel so Nickelodeon and Disney. Remember when TikTok gave big money, you fix up yourself in a CuteBoss? You don't know if you take your hand make fashion because you don't have no gear, fabric, no garments. The lady will walk like tambourine because she's full of cellulites. All through her tights, you see lump. All through your tights, you see lump and dent. Your skin one barber green. Your road mash up front end. Now ask you, your road ring ankle and mash up shoes. You never know. When you look on a girl like me smooth and flawless, me I kill you. Me I make bad mind kill you just like how you make hunger kill your mother. Don't me take time with that because I not cuss her. Me not cuss her. All I know, me not tell her about the stadium underneath her empty, you know. Me not cuss cuteness. Me just a reminder. Me not cuss her. I would never do that. You see lady mash up. CuteBoss come on the app mash, you know. That means that she never fix it. Yeah, she never fix it. She come on the app mash. When CuteBoss come on the app, a man she a war over. The same man where she give her puppy for. Yeah. The same man where she give her puppy for. The whole of CuteBoss make them all better than fear, better than fear. Man need them all more than all them need CuteBoss. CuteBoss, you have to just go through life, yeah. Just enjoy your last days, my baby. Just enjoy your last days because you call your son for tell you how you look old. You call your son for just tell you how you look old. What an embarrassment. You call your son for your son tell you say him not have it to give after you tell him say you're hungry. Come on, CuteBoss, you know, say I sin a catch you. And them little dirty excitement them for do and beat you. CuteBoss, man, an idiot. I think you did have the gift of discernment. If you would have discerned, you wouldn't come for me. Because you don't know, say me I go drag you. You don't know, say me I go drag you. Nasty woman. You don't know me I go drag you. For true. Me can't have my son a foreign and him a sell bottom and a clutch. And a clutch people things. You understand me? I walk a seafood store. And me have to keep seafood without water. Your son not plan for straight and give you a trip. You can't walk up at embassy go tell him say papi a bati man a foreigner you want to stitch up him split. Eh? You can't go up at embassy and have no tithes, no offering in your bank account. Then CuteBoss more ask you something where you have in a life. Where you got dead leave the little sodium baby give. If you should kick the bucket tomorrow like pigtail or salt mackerel, where you gonna have to leave for your picnic? Where you have? At the village have to go him. Me just to ask you. Just how old and that failure? Cause from she at 12, she at 6 out her age. CuteBoss don't know the comfort of grinding in your age, you know, she don't know. She has not gotten that luxury. She traumatized some of her veggie to her many. You never know. She traumatized. CuteBoss living in her bed enough time and water run sideways out her eye because she can't believe say all of the deeds them from her past catch her. When she look on herself and she say she not there no way, every day you wake up you see the same set of people them and you even can't escape them. When you see the lady about cigarette, you know, a stress. To all CuteBoss stress and I think about life and how her whole feel like she split which part she has served. She not focus. The lady not focus. And then me you want to argue with you should take the donation in the Sunday when me I give you the peas and the coconut milk. It's a start. The tallest mountain start from the ground. It's a start. Go soak it and God will bless you. You don't know if they might bring a drunk or come give you. You don't know. You don't know if you go to get a drunk or another Sunday. For you and the little boy sit down and pick feathers and then eat. And that you don't know, you come about me lady, but you want to lend me your back fat. You want to lend me your back fat after you see how long me I work for my neatness. The power of not having any travelers right here. You can swing and sway. Mighty one. You can swing and sway. And then me want to argue with one, yeah. Anytime I see Papi, I just see yellow cab eyes. I can't do whistling. And them not do clapping up on me. What you say? But anyways, people, enough for she now. Yannick, today is Yannick's match. That them a world pan world dog, you know. When I see Jabba, Rosalie, figure it out and Jade, them a world pan world dog, you know. Hey, Chippy, Akeem, them a work pan you. You never know. World dog, me nah lie. Friends like these who need enemies, them a work pan, you know. When I see the link up, that means you cannot come back. When I see how them accommodate all Rosalie, me I wait for the attack claps. Yeah. A Jabas and Rosalie that? Peter Gay! Peter Gay! May that hurt me. CuteBoss! You know more cleaning. CuteBoss! Oh my God! CuteBoss is no more clean. Oh my God! CuteBoss do this without filter. Do it. So much challenge me I give you. A wickedness, you know. Do it, CuteBoss. Do it. Do that by your life. The laugh not for real. Just do it. She could never, Sister Winnie. She could never. Never. And you want to argue with Mike? Oh, fix yourself as a female. Fix up yourself. You should teach Papi how to sell crutches. Fix yourself. As a female. You just prove say you're careless on a Sunday when you wake up and argue with me. I eat 3 meat. A careless girl like me. And a Sunday you argue with we just eat 3 meat for breakfast. And I know you not eat breakfast. Then we all dinner I go. All dinner I go. I'm a concern. How dinner I go? How it I go went? And you really tell me say me careless? Eh? And on a Sunday you call your son and tell him how you broke? Dinner have to beg. Dinner have to beg. She have beg out the community. Them supposed to eat say you come in. The people them on a Sunday supposed to eat say you come in. She a go cook today. What time? Then the beach trip that. She a go cook today. And me hear Papi in a box and I know him not send the 50. Papi, get out the box. Get out the box, Papi. Andrew, get out of the box. Your mother ask if you have money, you can send her $50. 7 grand must can cook something for CuteBoss after she not cook double meat. After she not double up in the Sunday. $50 can cook her food. Easy. And then you know what come about. Da da dee da da do. CuteBoss, you go relax. Somebody a camera go somewhere. Me don't know where them a camera for the day, but them a camera go somewhere. And them say them want me desk up for the event. Hush. Can't waste time on you. Me can't spend my trip on local, but me too international for even give you so much time. Me too international. I white earth you. Me there firing too long, me run like papi. Me come for show him how to run. Me run like papi. Yeah. Me there too long it a earth. You miss me? You never know see me you used to hang out. You miss me? CuteBoss I so come. I so come back here, my baby. Not go nowhere. I so come. When you want to argue, call. You know, say better you go to Franklin Town, go look for joy yourself. It best you go to Franklin Town, go look for joy yourself, CuteBoss. Yeah. It best you go to Franklin Town, go look for joy yourself. Because you see, mother argument not come about it. Because you go wonder, oh, my mother last longer than your mother. Because hungry not kill her. Yeah. Hungry not killing my mother like how hunger carry your mother to the grave, go put on Congo worm menu. You feel like a load come off of your shoulder. Remember you give away your mother and sell your son. Stone Irish touch Elliston Road. You got that right. Yeah. Hunger kill your mother and you give away your son. Yeah, always remember that. Anytime, remember say, una have to kiss and tell in our state everything on the app. Not me. Me like gonna things for chat. Then you think say me would have come up and correct you this morning. That is up to nurse. Me never do it. Me gonna make you tell me say me nah mind my mother. Oh yes, so be it. Me it's not joy insurance. You never know. You travel the world and you not have no CuteBoss, you look company. You don't even have Sunday dinner. So you not have nothing. You don't even have Sunday dinner. It's a disgrace. You get up this morning and look peas money and for me. You want peas money and protein money. You want all the seasoning money and for me. CuteBoss, because me don't know where you jump on me for, you know. Because when me a class here, you should have jump on me within the time me a class here. Me don't know how you get up on a Sunday morning, like if you get to list there was Saturday, and after Saturday comes Sunday. You have no calendar in your house. You know mark date, you know see period. Are you reach anthropos? Because me don't know you why, you know. You get up this morning, I cost me under my 3 proteins. And your little baby hungry where you have a yard. It's a pity our people and him don't know your hand. What do you do? Because me never hear CuteBoss say, people me a come, me a cook for my son, him so come from school. Me never see your son come in here to eat dumpling from you. Never yet. And at this you sit down on the upper talk about. Exactly, CC. At this you sit down on the upper talk about and you have a little boy. In the Sunday, me never see you as a mother day woman say, people me can't come on late, you know, because me did a cook. And Lord, me sweaty. Me did a clean. Never yet. You sit down pan live for the entire day. Little boy come in evening, mommy and go about in business. You know, say about him and alone you produce. You have your own and neglect it in front of your eyes. Never a time. Me sure no say skill it as maybe people hear me and cook. Me so come, Lord Jesus, my pot. Oh God, my pot. What I tell you, say, my mother trained me good. You know, you go, you pick them, say, woman, we give a shit for them, but my mother should have say, learn for cook, man, we give a shit for them. She trained me good. My mother trained me good. No, she done so true, Winnie. My mother trained me good. So where you come about now, girl? Catch up your ear. May you do the catch up ear challenge. Me start before you, you know.
Come my title, friend.
Yeah.
Low.
Come.
Short mouth.
Squash out mouth. Cute boss. Me I go to him so come. Me there foreign, I'm just busy. So when me there Jamaica, me not so busy on the fridge top. No man, me a foreign body. Little more, little more. Little more, little more.